Hey out there in Facebook land, how you guys doing today? This is Gail Gentry, online marketing professional, helping baby boomers create the online businesses of their dreams so they do not outlive their retirement fund. And I'm coming here to you today to talk about 5 tips on how to choose the friends on your Facebook page. So, hey, baby boomers, online marketers, if you're looking to grow your business, grow your audience online, one of the ways that you do that is to choose different friends to be, people to be connected with. So, and as you grow your audience, as you grow your brand, as, hey, Jeff, how you doing? As people get to know you, people will begin to reach out to you as well. So as you're living onto the broadcast, let me know where you're living in from. Hey, Keisha, how you doing? Let me know where you're living in from. If this is your first time seeing me live online, type in the number 1. If this is you've seen me before and you're a seasoned vet, type in the word vet. And let me know where you're living in from, because I would love to circle back to you after the broadcast to engage with you. So 5 tips to choose how to choose friends. So if you're, again, if you're the online marketer and you're looking to build your audience, engage people and stuff like that, you want to build an audience with people in an area. Hey, Kadisha, how you doing? You want to build an audience in an area where you're looking to do business. Like, for instance, Keisha is like a party planner, travel planner. Hey, Rosie, how you doing? So she participates in a lot of different groups that have to do with travel, have to do, with fun travel, singles travel, group travel, couples travel, etc. So if you are looking to grow your audience in a particular area, then you want to go to groups that cater to that area. Me, I'm looking for online boomers. Hey, Angela, how you doing? Looking for baby boomers that are looking to create the life of their dreams and the online business of their dreams. So I'm going to groups that cater to that. Hey, LaQuanda, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, Rosie again, how you doing? And you join those groups, and then you friend people in the groups. Now, you're joining those groups and you're friending the people in the groups because there's a common interest. So so don't think that you're just going to join the group and, boom, then you're going to, start selling them your stuff, sending them your raggedy links, all that stuff. No, you're not going to do that. You're just simply friending people and you're building your audience. You're getting your network, together. So, it may or may not be a sale there for you, but you won't know that until you have a conversation with them, right? So first thing you want to do is connect with different groups that have people in the audience area that you're looking for, right? So that's what you want to do. Hey, Jazz, how you doing? Welcome to the broadcast. Hey, Dr. Arvella, how you doing? Welcome to the broadcast. So that's the first thing you want to do. Go to groups and look for people that are in your target market. And they may come to your page because they see you start doing stuff, start posting stuff. Like, again, if you're in the travel space, they see you traveling, they see you booking trips, they see you, doing all kinds of things. Then they begin to, comment and post on your page. So you circle back to them. And, those are people that you definitely want to connect with, right? So the next thing you want to do is you want to check your friend requests. Because, again, as you build and engage your audience, as your audience begins to grow and develop, people will reach out to you to be friends with you. So you want to look at your friends list. Like right now, I have 53 people that have requested that I be a friend with them, and I will go through that list systematically, because you don't want to just add, hey, Krishana, how you doing? You don't want to just add everybody that asks to be your friend, especially ladies. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about, because you get a lot of weirdo guys asking you to, friend them. And then they start having really crazy conversation with you, like, oh, I love you, I want to marry you, all this, bizarre conversation. So, of course, you want to be here to, have friends and stuff like that. But, ladies, you might want to, be a little more selective with regard to the men that you add as friends. And because sometimes, some guys can come on really, really, really strong and, stronger than you would like, and you're not even interested, you're married or you're not interested to meet somebody online like that. You're just trying to make friends. So check your friend requests, scour those. So if you're not sure what the person is about, You know, because if you're involved, hey Tracy, how you doing? If you're involved in a lot of different things, you know, you'll get people friending you from different organizations that you may already be a part of. So you may recognize those people and want to friend them and connect with them. If you don't want to friend them, you certainly want to follow them, because here's the thing: with friends, you get up to 5,000 friends in your Facebook profile. You can have unlimited followers, so you can follow as many people as you want, and as many people as you want can follow you. You need to turn on your follow button in order for people to follow you. So they don't necessarily have to be your friend. So oftentimes, you know, particularly if you're an online marketer in this online marketing space, hey Karen, oftentimes you'll have a lot of people follow you that don't necessarily ask to be your friend. And that's because, you know, they want to leave their friend space open for those outside of the organization, right? So because you can still have conversation with folks even though they're not even though you're not your friend. So you want to, you know, check them out. And if it's not somebody you recognize, or it's not somebody that you know, that you're connected with already through some other organization, you want to send them a quick note that says, hey, you know, John Smith, thanks for the friends ad. You know, what inspired you to connect with me? So you can find out what are they looking for. Now, let me just give you a couple of things, because I did a rant on this the other day. A couple of things. If you get somebody that says, hey, you know, I'm looking for like-minded people, or, oh, I looked at your page and, you know, you're like-minded and I'm looking to exchange ideas, usually that's code word for I want to pitch you. Okay, that's usually code language for I want to pitch you. So don't be surprised if you accept that person's, hey David, how you doing? If you, hey Wanda, how you doing? Hey Clem, how you doing? Way long time no see. Hope you're doing well. So if you get somebody like that that adds you on and you accept their friendship, don't be surprised if they start pitching you. But you know, if you ask that question in Messenger, they're not your friend yet. You don't have to be a friend with them in order to you know, in order to have a conversation with them in Messenger to find out exactly, you know, what their intentions are as much as possible. So you know, if you're feeling me on this, if you're getting any value, type in the comment stream intentions. You know, let me know that you're picking up what I'm putting down, as they say. And please feel free to share this out. Some people may not know how to go about, hey Deb, how you doing? May not know how to go about choosing friends on Facebook. So that's the one thing. So you want to, you know, you want to say, hey, what inspired you to reach out to me if you don't know that person? So choose other marketers who, this is tip number 5, choose other marketers who may not currently be in your circle. So they're not a friend of yours, they're not associated with any friends of yours. So you may want to choose other marketers if you're marketing, you know, because who are you looking for? You're looking for people that are also marketing, right? You're looking for people to help them with their pain point, right? So in order for you to be able to have a steady flow of folks that you could talk to see how you can help them, hey Julie, is to talk to other marketers. Because what are the big 2 things that marketers and MLMers, you know, suffer from? Lack of leads and lack of sales, right? They're not, you know, either they got a ton of leads and they're not converting them into sales, or they have hardly any, you know, they have dismal leads and as a result have no sales or very little sales. So they're looking for somebody, you know, that's their big pain point, and you may be able to help them with your service, right? Yep, that's right. Looking for other marketers' pain points. Absolutely, LaQuanda. That's exactly what you're doing. So tip number 5, make 5 new friends minimum a day and engage in 5 new conversations every day. Now, why would you want to be doing this? One, it does a couple of things. One, it helps you be able to communicate with people, to be able to connect with people, and just truly connect just for the sake of connecting, not with any intention of, oh, I'm going to sell this person this, I'm going to sell this person that. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Just from the standpoint of, hey, just connecting with these people, just, you know, these individuals that you've decided to friend or looking to friend or considering to be a friend, and just connect with them and have a conversation with them. You know, and then if you decide to friend them, hey, Delshawn, that's very cool. So, you know, again, if you're getting any value out of this, type in the comment stream value if you're getting any value out of this. So you want to go ahead and have those 5 conversations, because you want to continually be expanding your network, expanding your audience. So, and it's not necessarily, goods and services that they can purchase from you. Maybe you might be in search of a graphic artist. Maybe you might be in search of a copywriter. Maybe you might be in search of an au pair. Maybe you may be in search of, a great housekeeper, or a number of different things. Maybe you might be in search of, an excellent, virtual assistant, or any number of things. So, just having conversations with people to see what they're about, to find out what they're about, and we're on the internet. Hey, you find you work with people. Hey, Melissa, how you doing? And you meet people from all over, the world here. You have conversations. Hey, Tanza, how you doing? You have conversations with people. I just was having a conversation with a guy over in Gambia. Hey, Rhonda, how you doing? Or, an individual in South Africa. We did a webinar earlier, and my co-host, she's from South Africa, and, often have conversations with my good friend, Mark Elliott in Virginia, or my good friend, Karen Richardson over in the UK, or another good friend, Abdul, over in the UK as well. And, some friends and associates, like NAF over in Dubai. So you never know where folks are coming from or where they're from. So, the internet has made the world very, very, very small. What up with you, Rhonda? And those are ways for you to connect, and it can teach you how to, how to connect with people, how to have conversations, how to communicate. Because here's the thing: if you're going to be marketing, whether it's offline or online, you need to know how to communicate with people, right? So you can, have these conversations, find out what these folks are about, to see if you want to go further in the relationship, whether it's just strictly friendship or develop into, a business relationship, or whatever. So somebody's putting angry faces. I hope that's by mistake, but if not, that's okay too. If you're putting angry faces and you don't like what I'm saying here, please feel free to exit the broadcast. Let me just say that. Just please feel free to exit the broadcast. Maybe that was a mistake to put an angry face. Hey, Despot, how you doing? So just to recap, the 5 tips on how to choose Facebook friends. 1, choose from the groups of people who you are looking to target. So if you're looking for baby boomers, go to groups where baby boomers at. If you're looking for people that travel, or women that travel, like my good friend Mary Thomas, she's looking for single women that travel. So she goes to single women's travel groups. If whatever you're looking for. So check your friend requests, because you may have a whole list of friend requests of folks that you could easily friend, if you decide, with your own criteria, what your criteria is to have a friend on Facebook, and you can go ahead and add those friends right there, so you can check those requests. Number 3, ask why the person, what inspired the person to reach out to you if you don't know them at all, okay, and you don't have any connections with them of any kind, or, and sometimes too, as you're choosing friends, you'll see, someone that choose you and ask you to be friends, and then you go to their page, because obviously you're going to check out their page before you even do any of that, and you see that they, have their Facebook page looks like a billboard. Do you really want to just, connect with someone that all they're going to do is pitch you, or are they someone that actually has a life that they are living, and part of it has to do with marketing, but they're showing you going out to dinner with their friends, traveling, some stuff about, their business that may could help you, how their experience with the products and services that they have available, so you can see if it's something that you want to reach out to them for. So, you definitely don't want to have somebody that has a billboard. So if you agree with that, type in the comment stream billboard. You definitely don't want to have somebody billboard. And if you're an online marketer, you definitely want to connect with people that are other marketers, and not necessarily other marketers already in the organizations that you are a part of, because if you're looking for them to be affiliates, hey Celia, how you doing? Or you're looking to offer your service to them, obviously, if they're already in your community, you may not necessarily want to friend them. Now, you may want to follow them, because you can follow unlimited people, and unlimited people can follow you. But your friends are limited to 5,000 on your personal profile. Of course, you can always create a fan page, but you might want to migrate your friends over to the fan page as your audience gets larger. So you want to choose other marketers. Then last but certainly not least, you want to make 5 new friends a day and have 5 new conversations a day to broaden your network, to broaden your sphere, to broaden your sphere of influence, right? And you want to connect with like-minded people. Again, if people are connecting with you and they use words like, oh, I want to connect with like-minded people, or oh, I want to exchange ideas, that's usually buzzwords, or usually, code word for I want to pitch you my offer. So unless you want to be pitched, you may want to, step gingerly with that particular friend request. So that's all I got today. You guys have a great day. Thank you for joining me, and I hope these tips have helped you. Again, please feel free to share this video out. Also, you can join me on my Facebook group at www.facebook.com/groups/Jerry's Kids. I'm going to type it here. You can join my group, and I have some free gifts in there for you, particularly the book, The Science of Getting Rich. And you can download that as you become a member, and some other great tips in there to help you out. My group is designed for baby boomers, but of course, anybody that's looking to market online can use the tips and tricks that are located in there. Okay, so I'm just going to type that in here. Join my group, www.facebook.com/groups/Jerry's Kids. And Jerry's Kids is short for geriatric. Little play on words there. And I'm going to pin that to the comments. So please feel free to join that group, get your free gifts, and be looking to connect with you online if we are not already. All right, you guys, you have a great day. Thank you so much.